Hey friends, today we're going to make a nice recipe together, and it's a casserole. And what's so cool about this casserole, I mean, there's a million casseroles, right? This casserole is going to remind you it's going to be better than pizza. And it's eggs and it's potatoes and ground beef, and we're going to pull it all together with some seasoning, and you're going to absolutely love it. Let's get into it. We begin by dicing up one small onion and then cutting up 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes into even chunks. I'm going to start browning my ground beef. I'm going to add the onion on top of that ground beef. I'm going to stir to make sure that that all combines well and the onion starts to soften and become fragrant. I'm going to add a little bit of salt here for some seasoning, a little bit of pepper, and then next up we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of paprika. I'm going to give that a nice stir to combine all of those seasonings. And then we're going to come in with a couple teaspoons or a nice dollop of minced garlic there in the middle. I'm going to let that cook down and become fragrant, stirring the mixture constantly. I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup here, a couple squirts there to the center. The mixture then starts to kind of change color a little bit with the paprika and the ketchup. And we're going to stir that. Keep that on a low to medium heat. Meanwhile, while that's kind of all coming together, I'm going to add about a quarter to a half a stick of butter into a frying pan. And I'm going to then dump our chopped up potatoes there to the bottom of that frying pan, and we're going to let them fry up real crispy. Meanwhile, while that's frying, I'm going to take an empty mixing bowl and add 4 eggs to the mixing bowl, and then I'm going to whisk those eggs together until they're well combined. After I get the eggs whisked together, I'm going to start chopping up some green onion, and I'm going to be adding the green onion then next to the egg mixture. And you can add as much green onion as you prefer there. I tend to like a lot, so we're going to add a lot there. I'm going to head back to my potatoes. They are browning up and becoming very, very gold and crispy, which is exactly what we want. I'm going to make sure that the potatoes cover the very bottom of the pan, and then I'm going to bring my meat mixture in, and I'm going to place the meat mixture on top of those potatoes, and I'm going to spread things out as even as possible. So I want that meat mixture to stay on top of the potatoes because we're layering like a pizza here. And so I'm going to make sure that the meat's pushed to the sides and everything looks pretty even. Next up, I'm going to bring the egg mixture back in, and I'm going to dress the whole top of that meat mixture with the egg mixture, eggs and onion. I'm going to put a lid on it, and we're going to let that cook for 5 to 7 minutes on about low to medium heat. Now this is what it looks like after. And now I am going to take some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to place mozzarella cheese all over the top of this dish, and then I'm going to allow that cheese to melt. You can put the lid back on so that that cheese looks creamy and melts into the dish. Okay, here's our ground beef and potato skillet right off the stovetop. It's nice, bubbly hot. I'm going to slide it out onto a cutting board here, and I'm going to push the edges together. So as we let it set up for a few minutes, we're going to be able to cut it just like a pizza. It's going to be delicious. Okay, friends, it looks like our ground beef and potato casserole dish here that is better than pizza. Super easy dinner to grab and make. Has all set up real nicely here. It even looks like a pizza. I'm telling you, right? It even looks like a pizza. Yeah, my video guy is Friday and he's sleeping. All right, so here we go. So we did cut it. We've got cutting it just like a pizza right here. And we're gonna scoop it out of here. This is delicious. Look at that. I mean, the cheese is melted there, the savory ground beef, all the seasonings, all those potatoes. I mean, this is a 10 out of 10, I promise. So here we go. So let's take a bite here, guys. Oh yeah. A beautiful layer of potatoes that have fried up so nice on the bottom. It's just a perfect blend of seasonings, the onion, the mozzarella cheese. It's all in concert, coming together just fine here. You're gonna love this one. So hey friends, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.